Hello everyone, welcome once again. So, guys, how are you? I hope you are doing great and fantastic. So, actually, today I have chosen such a very crucial topic because I got lots of comment. There are people ask me how to overcome our fear. Yes, they are knows English very well, but they have still fear, so they unable to speak. Even they can't try to speak. They have only little fear. So how to remove? How I removed my fear and how be confident. Yeah, everything I'm going to share with you in this video, so must watch this video till the end. Okay, so let's begin. Or yeah, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's get into the video. So guys, how to overcome fear? Yeah, this is very big problem. We knows English, we can understand English, everything we knows, but when it comes to speaking, so we just feel nervous, we just feel stuck, like, oh my god, if I speak wrong, so what people think about me, and if my sentence is not correct, so how I talk with them, like I'm not speaking, like lots of things stick in our mind. So how we removed? Yeah, so how I overcome my fear? Yeah, if you watch my first video until now video, so you can see a difference, like how I improved. I improve a lot. So how I keep myself every time confident. Whenever we talk with anyone, whenever we connect with anyone, so we have to keep one thing in our mind, like I keep whenever I talk with someone, whenever I make my video, when like every time I keep one thing in my mind. These days I'm learning English, so I try to one thing I uh, do not know other language except English. Yes, except English I do not know any language, so how can I speak other language? Like I have to speak every time, like if I connect with someone, so uh, I think like that person, he doesn't know any other language except English. So I have to make them understand somehow. Somehow. Like if I speak wrong, if I speak incorrect, whatever I speak, I just try to make them understand. So first thing, why we are learning English? Why? Because we want to talk with anyone. Yeah, isn't it? So when like whenever you talk with someone, so just keep one thing in your mind, like that person, he doesn't know any other language, and I also doesn't know any other language except English, so I have to make them understand somehow. Okay, let's see example. If you meet those person who doesn't know any other language, like native speaker, any English any other, like any English person, like they are speaks only English, they can only speak English. So what you will do? You will somehow, like in a little sentence, why my name is this, I am from there, like whatever you just try to make little conversation with them. Okay, let's see, let's give example. If you are living any other country, okay, you have to go there, so how you live there, how you survive there, somehow you speak English, because you have to speak English. So same thing you think in your mind whenever you talk with someone, and when like you are living in your home, so every time you think like I have to speak English because I don't know other language, I don't know other language. Just avoid your native language, whatever language you speak, just avoid for few months, like few weeks, I can say few weeks, avoid for few weeks. Like if you try to speak continuously, if you try to speak too weak, so I'm pretty sure, guys, you will feel comfortable. Yes, I'm sharing with you my experience. Before that I was unable to speak English, but I was speaking with confident. You can watch my previous video. I wasn't nervous there. because I have been always keeping this thing in my mind whenever I talk with someone. So I just keep one thing, like he and I both don't know any other language except English. So same thing you do. So same thing you do if you are really want to speak English. And if you are wasting your time, watching a video speak English, so no one come here, like no one make you speak English. Only people suggest you, you do this, you do that, like I am giving you advice. So you have to apply, you have to speak if you really want to speak. And after few months you start giving advice to other person, like I did this, I did that, how I able to speak English, how I boost my confidence, everything. People they can ask. If you are thinking like people laugh at me, okay, if you are thinking people laugh at me, so yeah, in beginning everyone laugh because we are speaking wrong, very wrong. Even if I talk about myself, so lots of people comment there you are not speaking good, but lots of people they comments good. They lots of I got good comments also, and that comments motivated me a lot. But and if I got any negative comments, so I just try to like why they say this. And yeah, I try to like gradually I'm learning this language, so it's a take a time. Sometime I still am doing little mistake, but if I do practice every day, if I speak every day, so yeah, gradually speaks I will speak very good English, very fabulous English. Very I have to do any I have to do enormous, so you have to do also enormous. So just start from today, you start. What are you waiting for? you know if you are thinking like people laugh at you, so after 2 3 months those people comes and they will ask you what you do, how you learn English. Okay, so remember this thing. If anyone laugh at you, so just let it be. छोड़ दो उन्हें, ध्यान मत दो कि हंस रहे हैं. ओके, कुछ दिन बाद वही आके आपसे पूछेंगे अरे क्या किया, कैसे सीखा, इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश कैसे सीखी. So just do practice. Start from today. There are lots of app. You can use those app, free English speaking app there. So you just try to speak. Try to communicate with them. Maybe you just start speaking, so people hang up your call, like you are not speaking good, but you don't stop. लगे रहो लाइक कछुए की रफ्तार से. डोंट बी रैबिट. लाइक रैबिट मत बनो कि भागो और कुछ देर बाद जाके रेस्ट करके फिर सोते ही रह जाओ. नो, ग्रेजुअली ग्रेजुअली लाइक अ टर्टल. टर्टल की रफ्तार से चलो, धीरे 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 सीखो और अपने गोल को अचीव करो. ओके, I have been taking classes, and I saw there like 3 and 4 women, they have been taking class every day, and they able to speak English only 3 months, because they are doing everyday practice. So practice makes man perfect. Okay, so just do practice, just learn. Don't watch lots of video. Like yeah, if you are watching practice video, your knowledgeable video, so you can. But how to speak English, how to like every day, don't watch. Just एग्जाम्पल बनो किसी का. ऐसे बनो कि लोग आपका एग्जाम्पल दें. ओके, कुछ करो, बस सोचते ही मत रहो. सोचने से कुछ नहीं होता है कि आप सोचते रहोगे. चलो उसके ऊपर वर्क करो, वर्क ऑन इट. वट एवर यू थिंक, लाइक जो भी आप कुछ सोचते हो उसके ऊपर वर्क करो. अगर आप वर्क नहीं करोगे तो आप कैसे अपने गोल को अचीव कर पाओगे. सो यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट. ओके, so today onward you promise yourself, I will speak English within 1 month. Yeah, I'm not saying you will be fluent in 1 month, but you are capable to make conversation anyone in 1 month. If you will do practice 1 month continuously, so I'm pretty sure guys you able to talk in English. you able to talk in English with anyone. Yeah, maybe you are not be fluent, but you will be capable to uh, talk with anyone. You will be capable to express your thought. So just do practice and enjoy your day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe and press the bell icon, because you know guys, your subscription, your like, share, comment, it's a give me booster forward to going toward my goal. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also. Okay.